how you all doing? Today I am bringing you another video, and in today's video I am going to be showing you a simple DIY remedy that can help you to get rid of any dark spots on your face. If you're having early signs of wrinkles on your face, it's going to help you to get rid of it. This is something that has worked for me, and I really need to come and share this with you. All you have to do is be consistent with this remedy. If you can be consistent, it's definitely going to work for you. It's not something you're going to use in 2, 3, 4 days and you're going to stop. If you stop, you're not going to get results. You have to be consistent, and before you know it, you'll see you're having this glowy skin, and you're just gonna go everywhere without makeup. You're just gonna be fine. Okay, you don't even need makeup. All you need to do is just go out confidently in style, and you're just gonna be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you in this video how to get this beautiful glowy skin, radiant skin, and it's gonna get rid of any dark spots, pimples you have on your face. Is gonna get rid of it. Okay, so sit down while I take you to my kitchen and show you the simple DIY home remedy that you can do. You don't need a fortune. Okay, all you need is just a simple kitchen remedy, and you're gonna be sure to go. Okay, so but before this video, if you're watching me and you've not yet subscribed, please go on, hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell, because that bell will notify you each time I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So guys, these are all the kitchen remedy you're going to be needing, and the first you're going to be using is your almond oil. Yeah, this is a almond carrier oil. You can also decide to use olive oil. Normally I do use olive oil, but today I'm going to be using almond oil. Next is your turmeric. Okay, turmeric is very effective. It's going to help you to get rid of dark spots. You can stop any forms of aging on your face, and also make your skin to look radiant. So you can decide to add lemon. This is optional. I'm adding lemon, and you can add water if you like. And that is the jar that I'm going to be using. That's the spare container that I'm going to be using. And this is my sugar. You can use a brown sugar, but I don't have a brown sugar. I'm going to be using a white sugar today. And this is my honey that someone special gave to me. This is a very good honey. If you can get a good honey, go ahead and use it. Okay, so this is the honey that was given to me. Shout out to her. I love you, mommy. So she gave me this honey, and I'm going to be using this honey today, and I'm really managing this honey because I don't want it to get finished for now. If that is the right word. So right now I'm transferring my sugar into this little plastic container, and I'm going to be adding my turmeric, and then I'll go ahead and mix this well. Just eyeball it, just any amount you need, just eyeball it. Okay, you don't need much anyways. So I'm going to be giving this a good mix. Okay, just give this a good mix. Make sure that everything is well mixed up. And now I'm going to be adding just a little bit of honey. This honey, I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush it. Okay, so I'm just trying to manage it till I get another one. Okay, so you're going to add honey to it. And right now, like I said, this is optional. Okay, you don't need to add lemon if you don't want to. Okay, but I'm going to be using lemon. I'm going to be adding lemon. You can just replace it with water if you like. But you have to be careful when mixing any liquid, because we don't want this running consistency. Okay, not too runny, not too thick, if you get what I mean. I'm going to be showing you in this video how the consistency is going to look like. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding my almond oil, and then I'll give this a good mix as well. So now this is the best consistency you want to go for. Okay, not too runny, not too thick, so it doesn't start dripping all over your body. Okay, because this mixture is very messy, so you have to be careful with the consistency. So this is the consistency you want. This is perfect. This mixture is very messy, okay? So before doing this, you want to make sure you get yourself prepared. Get a t-shirt you don't care about and a towel you don't care about. So those are the things you have to do, just like so. Making sure that I don't get any stain around. This is my face steamer that I got from Amazon. It's been doing the job pretty well. So I'm going to use this face steamer to unclog my pores before applying the remedy. If you don't have this face steamer, you can just do your face in the hot steam. Just get those pores to open, and you can just decide to ignore this bit. You don't have to do this. This is what I do, and it has really worked for me. I'm gonna get this ready now. Trying to do hot oil treatment, so ignore my hair as well. Try and ignore it, and let's focus. So now you can see the steam is beginning to come out now, and I'm just gonna use this to open my pores. You can just add peppermint inside the steamer if you like, but it's optional. I'm not doing that in this video. This is the part I love so much. It's so relaxing, and it just does the job. Once your pores is open, your face is now ready for the remedy. It is now time for you to apply this remedy on your face, because now your pores are now ready to accept any kind of product you want to put on your face, and it's just going to work just the way you want it. So I'm going to get this out of the way, and now it is time for me to apply this remedy on my face, and I'm using this brush to apply it on my face, and I'm just going to focus more on my under eye area, making sure that this is well saturated. Another thing is, if you don't mind your hands getting stained, because after this your nails are gonna get stained. If you don't mind it getting stained, you can use your bare hands. Put on your hand glove, but if you don't mind, you can just use your hand. I have a special way of washing my nails after this, so I'm just gonna use my bare hands. I am okay with that. Okay, so you're just gonna use your hand to start scrubbing. You have to be careful when scrubbing, not too hard on your skin. Your face that scrub, okay, but not too hard, and also do not forget to scrub your lips, okay? That scrub, it is time for you to leave it for like 15 minutes before washing it off. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, I am back. I've gone to wash it off. Like I said, please ignore my hair. I am treating my hair at the moment, so I have hot oil treatment on my hair, so ignore that. So I have just rinsed it out of my face, and this is the outcome. So at first you're going to notice, you might notice that some, part of your face is a little bit red. This is because you've given it a little bit of scrub, and you have to be gentle when scrubbing it. So I noticed that my cheekbone is a little bit red. So with time it's going to disappear. You don't need to worry about that. But this remedy works like magic, guys. It's been working just barely a week since I started using this remedy, and it has really changed a lot of things. To those that knows me, if they can compare the way I was last month, you're going to see huge difference on my face. I have noticed huge difference, and I'm just so happy, especially with my under eye. My under eye has lightened up. I used to have this dark under eye, so now there is nothing like that. So what I'm doing now is moisturizing my under eye on a regular basis. So as we age, we really do need to pay attention to our skin, and I'm just so happy that I found this remedy. I'm going to continue using this. So guys, just give this a try, because I know there are a lot of us like that struggling with situations like this. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is just go into your kitchen and you get all this remedy. Okay, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this a try and comment underneath my video and tell me what you think about this remedy. It's not something you're gonna use for 1 or 2 or 3 days and then you get fed up. It's not a magic. It doesn't work that way. You need to be consistent. You need to continue using it, and you're going to see a huge difference on your skin. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you if you stay to the end of this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.